Good morning, Wayne County Jail.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Jessica McMiller.
All right, Miss McMiller, I have you checked in, okay? We're just waiting on your attorney.
Okay.
All right. Oh. Rima says she's on her way. She's in traffic.
Exits closed on 75. They were locked at exit.
Courtroom 233, just sounds good. Hey. The three defendants? Yep. All right, all right, all right.
Same my friend last time. Same time last time. No, I know, but I'm coming to 10 o'clock last time.
Good morning, Mr. Riggins.
Good morning. I have Dorian Tillman.
Okay, he's not on. Are you waiving his appearance?
Yeah, I can waive his presence. I have the file and the discovery.
I think so. Morning, counselor.
Good morning. I have Mr. Gregory Bird this morning. We're just going to set an exam date, please.
All right, Bert. Were you ready then? Yep.
All rise. Sixth District Court for the City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Ronald Giles will be presiding. Please be seated.
Calling case number 2157996, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dorian Tillman. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying skill. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, RAs, rules for the people, P8550.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Neighborhood Defender Services by Ken Reagan, P82125. On behalf of Mr. Dorian Tillman. Yeah, I waive his presence for this proceeding.
All right, thank you. Court will waive his appearance for the purpose of meetings. Set this matter for exam.
Yes.
Available September 14th at 9:30.
Moment. Unfortunately, I have two matters scheduled at 9 and 9:30. Could be available around 10:30.
All right, 10:30.
I can do 10:30.
Anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Hearing.
Parties ready, parties ready on Gregory Bird, calling case number 2357623, the people of the state of Michigan versus Gregory Bird. Defendant is charged with count one, controlled substance, delivery, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic, 50 to 449 grams. Count two, controlled substance, delivery, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic, less than 50 grams. Habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Read my actions on behalf of the people, P82800.
Brian Gagnick, Your Honor, Neighborhood Defender Service, P64220. May I waive my client's presence? He is in custody.
All right, we'll waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Are you available September 14th at 9:30?
Your Honor, is it possible to go a little bit later in the morning on that day?
10 o'clock?
I was gonna say like in the 11 o'clock hour. Sorry. If the court can take me to 9, I can push my matters that I have over at Circuit and come directly to your court.
Well, the problem is if he's in custody, he might not be here at 9.
I understand. I just have several matters over at Circuit on the same day. I can get
All right.
creative. I always have.
Do 11 o'clock.
11, I appreciate. Thanks again.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Collins.
Good morning, Madam Clerk.
You're on Deshaun Martin.
Yes, ma'am.
He is on. Did you need a breakout room or?
No,
All right.
I've talked to him.
Okay. Calling case number 2356954, the people of the state of Michigan versus Deshaun Martin. Defendant is charged with count one, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count two, stolen property, receiving and concealing $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Matter scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Read my actions on behalf of the people, P82800.
And good morning, Your Honor. Harold Collins, P56805, on behalf of Mr. Deshaun Martin, who is present on the Zoom screen. State your name for the record, sir.
Deshaun Martin.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Go ahead, Ms. Collins.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. We're going to request an exam in this matter.
All right. You available September 14th at 9:30?
Yes, Judge, we can make that happen.
Okay. All right, anything else?
No, none from defense, Judge.
All right, Mr. Martin, that's in court, in person, 9/14 at 9:30. All right,
Okay.
all right, thank you. That concludes the hearing. Bonds continued.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Can you repeat that again, sir? The court date?
September 14th, that's next Thursday at 9:30 a.m. That's in court. 36th District Court, courtroom 233.
Okay. I'll get in touch with my attorney, and, you know.
Yes, there you go. I got you. Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks a lot.
All right.
All right, you're welcome.
All right, thanks.
Take care now.
Okay.
Oh, Mr. Collins, I'll let you catch. We will see you at 11, right?
Right.
Courtroom 233, Judge Giles. What is your name? I don't have your name. This is courtroom. Judge Giles. What is it for?
I don't know. They ain't called that.
Okay, so do you have your case number? Mhm. You should be in front of Judge Bryant. She's in 339. Zoom on, zoom on.
And it looks like that.
Okay.
Your
I can't. Oh, geez.
ledger tether me down.
313 965 2295.
So you have to keep your tether chart. Well, Mr. Deere, what's good? That don't know what I'll be able to read. If I can get that. I'm trying to get the tether off. Okay. Where are you tethered? Whose house is that? Where you live? Okay, all right, well, you try to take the tether off. And then you gotta make it important, okay? All right, let's down. Sorry, Joe, most severe, but, actually, I'm sorry about that.
Trying to see what's taking my time so long. Well, Judge, what example did you give Bird? Yeah, write it down.
Or, oh, September 14th at 11 o'clock. Thank you.
What's your last name?
Connect.
Mr. Connected, what PCC you on?
Who?
Oh. He's on PCC. Oh, yeah.
Somebody's saying, what's your first name?
Jeffrey.
Thank you.
What time? Are you ready are you ready? Ready, Mr. Connected?
Sure.
Calling case number 2358347, the people of the state of Michigan versus Samuel Mabua. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, causing injury. Count 2, retail fraud, 2nd degree. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
One, Your Honor, remand approved on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Konecki, case 64800 on behalf of Mr. Mbua. Your Honor, Mr. Mbua was just recently released from Heather. We have contact information for him, so I'd ask to waive his presence.
For the purpose of this hearing.
And I know I've received paper discovery. We'd like to set this for a preliminary exam.
September 14th, 9:45.
That'll work, Judge. Thank you.
Everybody correct here.
You come for a second.
My last name is MBUA.
Jackson.
Two more pieces. Good morning, Counselor. How are you? Okay, so that's certainly right there. You can see it. Jessica McMillan. It's a PCG. Yes, because, oh, thank you, because she is on. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what it is. Yeah. All right, thank you. All right. Mr. Mercier is on the way. Ms. McMillan, your attorney's on his way. He'll be logging on shortly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning, Counselor. How are you?
I'm pretty good. I got my client. He's on a phone. Having a little trouble. He needs a Zoom ID, he says. Although we could do it like this and just keep him on audio. Is that acceptable? It's only it's a PCC today.
We can just waive his appearance and you can tell him what's going on afterwards.
Okay. I've got him on speaker anyhow, Judge. We're gonna ask for an exam.
Okay.
Calling case number 2358694, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jawan Washington. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rima Equity on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Finwall on behalf of Mr. Washington, who is on audio. Would you like him to state his name, Judge?
Sure.
Say your name, Mr. Washington. Okay, we're gonna date and time for a probable cause conference, Your Honor. We would ask for an exam on this one.
Okay, well, we couldn't hear him, so I'm just gonna waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Are you
Thank you,
available September 14th at 10 o'clock?
I'm not, Your Honor. I thought you might say I've got 4 matters at the Frank Murphy. They're just matters. In the afternoon, I'm available, or the 13th or the 15th. I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear that.
I didn't know that was somebody else, that was me.
Oh,
September 13th at 11 o'clock?
yes, Your Honor. That's a good time for us.
Anything else?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
All right, that concludes the hearing.
Thank you. Oh.
Good morning. Did you need a breakout room with Ms. McMillan, or are you ready?
If I could have a quick breakout room, would be great.
All right.
Hey. Join.
Madam Clerk, do you want me to check the judge's mail after this?
Oh, yeah, you can.
Okay. What is your name?
Orchidea,
What is?
Orchidea. Are you just wanna know in general, or you need it put in?
No, I just need,
It's Kitty. Kitty.
okay, that's easier. What floor is that on, 3?
Yeah, it's on 3.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll do that, this one.
okay.
I believe Mr. Greer is going to join on Zoom to do a waiver on his first 16. So if he pops on.
Oh, okay, yeah, because Randy said something.
Oh,
We normally cut it off after we finish.
Oh, but yes, I just texted him, he's gonna join and do a waiver on the 11 o'clock exam.
Okay.
No, I'm glad he did come in. We'd have all been waiting till 11.
Thank you.
Thank you for the breakout room.
Oh, you're welcome. Looks like she's still in there. Oh, here she comes. All right. Prosecutor left. Okay. Party's ready on Jessica McMiller. Calling case
Ready.
number. Calling case number 2356330, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jessica Miller. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Reliant Foods on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. I had a breakout room with my attorney, Daniel Mercier, representing Jessica McMiller. Ms. McMiller, please state your name for the record.
Jessica McMiller.
All right. Mr. Mercier.
Your Honor, I had a very productive breakout room with my client. After doing so, we would be requesting for an in-person exam to be set for my client. Also, like to have an opportunity to address bond before we go off the record.
I couldn't hear what you just said.
Also, would like to have an opportunity to address bond before we go off the record.
Okay. September 14th at 10 o'clock.
Can we do 10:30, Your Honor? I
I
have
got
9
one.
o'clock in Frank Murphy. 10:30. Thank you.
No, I can do 10:15. I got one at 10:30 already.
Okay, 10:15. Believe it or not, 15 minutes will give me time to run across the street. Appreciate that.
All right.
Your Honor, may I address bond?
1 second. Go ahead.
Your Honor, my client is in custody at this time from a warrant for failure to appear on the PCC. When I discussed it with her, she stated that she had the wrong date. And it was just a issue of misunderstanding. As such, I'd ask for my client to be released on a personal bond or a personal bond with tether, Your Honor.
You wish to be heard.
I'll leave it to the court's discretion, Your Honor.
Ms. Miller, are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I have 2 jobs. I work for Coney Island and I also work for Apple.
You said Coney Island and what?
Apple, the Apple store.
Oh. Bless you. All right. Bill, I'm gonna reduce your bond, but if you're late or you miss again, you won't get out again. Do you understand?
I promise, I got you. I'll be there.
All right, let's do a 30,000 personal bond. And your exam is September 14th at 10:15. That's courtroom 233, 36th District Court. It's in person.
One more time, you said the 14th?
The 14th at 10:15.
Okay,
And it's in person.
all right, thank you. I'll be there.
All right, okay, just so you know, I don't do T-shirts or sweats. So
I
dress for court.
understand. I got you.
Okay,
Thank you.
all right. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Is Mr. Washington here?
Not yet. Just Tyrone. They come.
All right,
Good, how are you, Judge?
I'm okay. Hanging in there.
Just like chase like man. Just so you like man, don't you?
Okay.
Chase him on spice. Real good. Just say you guys want to call it based. 180.
Okay.
Supposed to zoom. Both sides. Oh, my goodness.
No, ma'am. It's locked anyway.
Thank you. Nothing. Probably gonna see my grandson play soccer. It is for your info.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
Coach taught me which way to run it.
Yeah, he does. They, I guess are doing, they won their last game last Saturday.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. It was 6-4.
So, which was something.
A lot of points. Yeah. His glasses kept falling too.
You don't know sports glasses?
Well, my son bought him sports glasses, but he didn't have the band. So it kept falling, so he ended up switching to put his regular glasses.
My son wears sports glasses. Yeah.
Yeah. And he got a couple bruises. He got kicked. Hey, it happens. It's all right.
Yeah. It's character.
Yeah. Yep.
So I don't wear glasses, so it's like.
Yeah, he's 8 now. I wanna say he got glasses last year.
So the break is like, can't do the break.
There's one officer on Barker Field.
Mr. Kenick is gonna stand in for dismissal. For the 9:30.
Calling case number 23-58586, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tyrone Jackson. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 2, assault or assault and battery, habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Remand petition on behalf of the people, P-82800.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Konecki, P-64800 on behalf of Mr. Jackson. State your name for the record, sir.
Jackson, you now address the court, sir. You now address the court.
I'm currently on this and I just wasn't able to go to my residence to get any flow due to the case is still.
Judge, at this time, the people are able to proceed. The complainant in this matter, Jason Muse, was subpoenaed and did not show up to the courthouse.
Move to dismiss, right?
All right, now dismiss without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
bring your paperwork.
One hammer.
I guess I'm gonna go out with bang.
She
Some
called,
funny things?
she called the day before yesterday, asking when her exam was. Might not show up.
And all our stuff too.
Can't hear.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Your name?
Montanique Greer.
All right.
You really need to put the camera on you and get the top of your forehead. Thank you, sir.
Calling case number 2358364, the people of the state of Michigan versus Monterey Greer, defendant. The defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, delivery, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 50 grams. Count 2, controlled substances, maintaining a drug house. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Agent Lewis for the people, P 85520.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Konecki, P 64800 on behalf of Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, please state your name for the record.
My name is Montanique Greer, Montanique Davon Greer.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for preliminary examination. I've discussed with Mr. Greer's right to an exam, nature and purpose of that examination. After our discussions, he indicated he wished to waive his examination, understanding he'll be bound over to circuit court. Is that correct, Mr. Greer?
Correct.
Greer, do you have any objection to your attorney signing your name to the waiver form?
I couldn't hear you say what?
Do you have any objection to your attorney signing your name to the waiver form?
No.
Thank you.
Prosecution has no objections to the court.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Greer, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing it. You understand that?
I couldn't hear you say what?
So you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that?
I understand it, but I ain't had nothing to do with the committed crime though.
Mr. Greer, that's not what the judge is saying. He's just, wants to make sure that you understand your rights. He's not admitting to any.
I understand my rights.
Anybody promise anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
I understand.
No, I need an answer.
Yes.
Did anybody make any promises to you, or did anybody threaten you to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No. I heard you.
You're waiving your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
I talked to my attorney. I don't even know.
That's not my question. You're waiving your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney.
My phone going in and out, so I can like hardly hear you.
Okay. I'll do it again. You're waiving your right to a preliminary exam freely and voluntarily.
Yes.
After having opportunity to talk to your attorney.
Yes.
All right. All right, court's gonna find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as found over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be September 21st at 9 o'clock.
September 21st.
Judge, would it be
Might
the
as well be
22nd?
22nd. I don't think so. It's got 21st.
It'd be 2 weeks from today.
Yeah, it's gonna be the 22nd. Where Kitty go? 22nd.
22nd. Thank you, Judge. Mr. Greer, we'll talk about the next court date, but you're all set. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the 22nd, I mean, the 21st, it'll be 22nd. That's Friday.
Oh, I do. Oh. I put mine the 22nd.
Oh, okay. Those one, because I gave him 22nd.
Yeah, okay, good.
I believe Ms. Farage.
Yeah, I put mine the 22nd.
Ms. Farage is on Zoom for the 9:45. Wallace Hall.
Oh.
Her phone's not good.
Oh.
No.
Joe Wallace Hall.
No. Okay. Calling case number 2358594, the people of the state of Michigan versus Wallace Hall. Defendant is charged with count 1, larceny in a building, habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for exam. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ray Matthews on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Sahar for Africa on behalf of Mr. Wallace Hall.
Your client?
Yes, Your Honor. So, I have not been able to get in contact with my client. I believe that maybe proper notice was not mailed out to his home. I'm in the middle of trying to find a good phone number to get in contact with him. So we're asking that this court just adjourn the preliminary examination.
No, not how it works. He's not here. You haven't talked to him?
I have not, Your Honor.
All right, well, he knows he has his case. He had the date. He hasn't shown up.
If that's for KP, Your Honor.
All right, KP shall enter. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. The bond set 30,000 cash.
Understood, Your Honor.
If you find them, you bring them in.
Thank
If
you.
they bring him in, he stays in. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good Friday.
Thank you. Have a good weekend. Oh, okay. All right. Any reason to keep this stuff on anymore? Nope. No.